Russia's state nuclear agency Rosatom has unveiled a prototype of its new plasma rocket engine. Using this engine, it will take only 30 days to reach Mars, where current technology takes 7 to 9 months. This Russian technology can also leave SpaceX Starship or NASA Artemis project behind in terms of speed and performance. The question may arise, what exactly is a plasma engine? It is type of engine that uses plasma, which is high temperature ionized substance, instead of ordinary fuel. Plasma is one of the 4 fundamental states of matter. It is different from solids, liquids, and gases. The particles that are seen inside the sun, meteors, or neon lights are actually plasma. In this new type of engine, plasma created by heating gas to a very high level with the help of electricity. After that, plasma is emitted at a very high speed through a magnetic field which pushes the rocket forward. The speed of this new engine can reach several 100,000 km per hour. If we compare it, NASA Voyager 1 spacecraft can reach 17 km per second. And this spacecraft can reach 50 km per second or more. This plasma engine made by Rosatom uses nuclear energy and has been taken into consideration, which will be able to provide energy to the spacecraft for a long time. As a result, on the one hand, the speed will increase, and on the other hand, the fuel consumption will be much lower. However, the technology also has some challenges. Creating and controlling such a high temperature plasma is an extremely complex process. The rocket structure must be protected from this intense heat and radiation. In addition, the safety risks in the case of nuclear power systems cannot be denied. Once a fault occurs, it can lead to terrible consequences. Experts believe that its cost will be much lower than the current conventional chemical rockets, because it can be used repeatedly and the fuel demand will also be limited. Once this engine is fully operational, the cost of traveling from Earth to Mars will be reduced by about 18%. The biggest advantage of this technology is time and safety. It will take 1 month to get to Mars, which means that the astronauts will be less likely to suffer from long-term radiation, food, and oxygen shortage. However, the technology is still in the experimental stage, and it may take several more years before it is used. Despite various challenges, scientists are optimistic that if this engine is successfully used in space, it will open the way to conquer not only Mars but the entire solar system. This fast and sustainable technology will make space travel realistic and commercially profitable. Many say it will be the next revolution in the rocket technology.